And no matter what, my hair always waves up. I don't mind it though. So usually what I do, I get this glue, this hair glue that smells like fish. It does. And I just pour some on here. There we go. Cool. The glue get a little tacky. And then you just wrap it around. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's from Central Collection, I guess. And I got this other one for $14, and I got it in the color P30B. And it's the Beyonce curl. This is the Beyonce curl. Obviously it's waves. And then this one is like this. I honestly do love Beyonce's hair when she wears it up in a bun, a high bun, half up, half down. She looks so cute. So I'm actually combining the two patterns to create more dimension and to make the hair look a little bit more realistic, because I don't like perfect curls because my hair isn't perfect, you know? So I'm just taking this to loose. Oh, I was about to say, if it's tangling already, shoot. So as you can see, it's like streaks of blonde in it. You know, gotta be cute, gotta be fun, gotta be a little playful. All right, so you just match up the two wefts. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue the ends together, and then I'm gonna start gluing it onto my hair. I'm gonna say, when you do this, be very careful with the glue, and also make sure that you are paying attention to the way that you wrap it, because if you wrap it at an angle, it's gonna stay at that angle. If you wrap it, you know, going this way, it's gonna be a little wonky. So make sure you just keep it straight. Even if you're at this angle or this angle, keep it straight back. That way, when you do wear your hair, it's a ponytail that's straight back and not a side ponytail. So if I like just kept wrapping it at this angle, it would have been on this side. So you gotta keep it straight back. Okay, so what's very, very important is when you get to the very top, you wanna wrap your hair, the hair around several times. This is gonna create volume. So as you can see, I have volume. It does look like crazy right now because I have to like comb through it, but there's a lot of volume here. Now, when you keep wrapping it around, that's when you get all the volume that you need. So when you get up here, it's not like super flat. These scissors not good. Oh, yeah, they cut. So I cut it right there. And then after that, you're gonna take the inside part and you're gonna glue that part as well. And when you do this, you're basically sealing everything together. All you need is about 1 bobby pin, maybe 2 bobby pins to bobby pin your hair up. Mom, do you got some bobby pins? Please tell me you got, oh my God. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna brush this out and I'll show you guys. It's super good. So much value. I freaking love it. Alright guys, so my hair is pretty much done. It's super